Welcome to our channel where we make activating your Google Play balance simple and fast for everyone. Welcome to our channel where we make activating your Google Play balance simple and fast for everyone. Today, we will walk you through the quick and effective method to activate your Google Play balance so you can start enjoying apps, games, movies, and more without any hassle. To begin, ensure you have a Google Play gift card or a promotional code handy. Step 1 is to open the Google Play Store app on your Android device. Make sure you are signed into the Google account where you want the balance added. Once inside the app, tap on your profile icon located at the top right corner of the screen. This action will open your account menu. From here, select the option labeled Payments and Subscriptions to proceed. Next, tap on Redeem Gift Code or Use Code, depending on your app version. A text box will appear where you can enter your Google Play gift card code or promotional code. Carefully type in the code without any spaces or errors. After entering the code, hit the Redeem button to apply the balance to your account. If the code is valid, you will immediately see a confirmation message indicating the amount added to your Google Play balance. In cases where the code doesn't work, double-check the code for accuracy or ensure the card hasn't expired. Now that your balance is activated, you can use it instantly for purchases within the Google Play Store. This includes buying apps, subscribing to services, renting movies, or even purchasing in-game items. To check your updated Google Play balance at any time, tap your profile icon again and select Payments and Subscriptions, then Payment Methods. Your current balance will be displayed at the top. Remember that activating your balance through the Google Play Store app is the most straightforward and quickest method, eliminating the need to navigate through complex settings or external sites. With these steps completed, you are fully equipped to make the most out of your Google Play credit and enjoy a wide range of digital content effortlessly. Finally, this method works globally wherever Google Play services are available, so no matter where you are, activating your balance is always just a few taps away. Don't forget to always keep your codes secure and use them promptly to maximize your entertainment possibilities.